How una dey my people? Omo, we don enter new year wey be 2023. As e dey be like this now be say we don comot for 2022. All of us know that one. The truth be say the year 2022 show us plenty shege, especially we wey dey into crypto industry. But last na amazing year e be sha, and na also eventful year e be too. Another thing wey dey there be say I wan thank una for everything wey una don do for this channel. From you wey dey watch our video, you wey dey subscribe, you wey dey like, you wey dey comment, and you wey dey share our video. I wan say I love una, and without una wey make am possible, e no for sup for us. I say ma thank una wella, as na una be the best member for this community, and as you dey supportive to everything wey dey happen for this community. Na God go bless you for me sha. So like this now, we don turn community. For this year 2023, we go grow bigger as we dey put one or two things wey we go do wey dey amazing, so that all of us go grow financially. And no be only that one, we go make sure say our partner development go grow too for this year. So make una ready as we go ride this year together for this community. I fit promise you say this year e go make millions in naira, as we go dey drop free feature and sports signal for our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp group too. Plenty video content wey we go take dey learn for this crypto space. We go also dey do giveaway to take help people wey no get or wey no too get. We go also dey do trading contest and trading challenge to make sure say all of us grow together. We go also dey do Twitter space to know everything wey dey sup for this industry. We go also continue our AMA section wey we dey do for YouTube that time. We go continue am for this year. We go also dey talk and engage ourselves for airdrop and do like 2 to 3 offline events and other plenty things wey we go do for this year. The goal for this year na make all of us make money for this crypto industry, and make we also get knowledge. And the last one be say make we no too lose money for this crypto industry. I hope una dey ready for this year sha. If you never subscribe, try and subscribe. Follow us for Twitter and join our Telegram channel, as we go dey drop better update for this community. No forget to like and no forget to share to people wey go dey interested to join us or be part of our community like this. I just wan say thank you again for everything wey una don do for this community.